guys, sofiaonearth here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be giving you guys a step-by-step Shopkick app tutorial. So Shopkick is a rebate app, and basically in this app, it's a cashback app. So you can go ahead and cash out for a gift card for buying products at so many different stores like Walmart, Target, CVS, and so much more. Before we get into the tutorial, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel for some couponing content. And if you guys enjoy these tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more and turn on those post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, so here are some basic things you want to know about Shopkick. So 250 kicks equals $1. Or if you want to know a certain amount of kicks, which is super easy, go ahead and multiply it by 0.004. Now that'll give you the exact amount of kicks that we're getting back. For example, 250 times 0.004 is $1, and so on. That is the basic math that you're going to need to be knowing for this app. So basically our credit is called kicks. That is why it's called Shopkick. We have kicks, and all those kicks you can redeem for gift cards or certain rewards, and I will show you guys the app. You can see what I'm talking about. And if you guys are new to this app, be sure to go ahead and use the link down below to sign up to get an extra $1 bonus when you do. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on the app so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about, and yeah. Alright guys, so I just downloaded Shopkick from my iPad to show you guys how it's going to look when you first download it. So when you finish downloading it from the App Store, this is what the first page is going to look like. Welcome to Shopkick. Connect to start earning free gift cards. Now we're going to go ahead and create an account. So as you can see here, we have a bunch of sign up options to sign up with Apple, sign up with Google, and sign up with Facebook. So you can go ahead and click that and sign up. Right, so I connected with Apple. You can go ahead and connect with whichever you want. Then it says ready to kick things off. Pick a $5 gift card. So you can change this later. It's asking you to pick a $5 gift card to the place where you basically want your goal to be. And again, you can change this. So I'm going to go ahead and click Walmart. So as you can see, I went ahead and clicked Walmart. Then it's going to ask you to verify your date of birth. So go ahead and do that. After you complete that, it's going to ask for location access to find nearby kicks. Now, I do recommend turning on your location because you can get kicks for walking into the store. And basically, to get those in-store scan kicks, you really need your location on. So I'm going to go ahead and click Allow Location. Then the next page is you want to hear about incredible deals. So it's basically going to ask you if you want push notifications on. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on because I like notifications. It is all up to you again. Then as you can see here, it's basically going to give you a little tutorial. Right here it says earn kicks for gift cards just by walking into the store. As you can see, CVS, we can get 10 kicks for walking into the store. Then we go ahead and click next, and it explains that we can find featured items in store and use the app to scan their barcodes to earn kicks. And when we purchase select items and upload our receipts, we can rack up even more kicks. And then here you can go ahead and link your debit or credit card to earn kicks without even opening the app. Now, I don't do that, but that is definitely up to you. Then even if you purchase online, you can actually earn kicks. So as you can see here, they are giving us an example. You can get 1 kick per $1 that we spend at Sephora.com. And then you can go ahead and click done. Now, this is what the app looks like. Now, if you guys did not sign up with the link down below in the description, make sure to go sign up with that link. If you guys didn't, you can go ahead and click friend referral here on the top, and then it's going to say enter your friend's invite code. Now you're going to want to go ahead and type in NICE, N-I-C-E, and then the number 720351 and click apply code. Then when you apply those codes, you should be getting 250 bonus kicks. Now, in order to get these kicks actually into your account, you have to earn at least 10 kicks within 7 days of putting this code into the account. So that means within 7 days of entering this code, you have to go into any store with Shopkick, at least walk into a store, and you can get 10 kicks for just walking in, and you can even buy a product and get kicks. So you can go ahead and get a 250 bonus kicks, which is also equivalent to $1 from just signing up and using the code and using the app within 7 days. Now, the easiest example that I can give is basically, as you see here, once you're on the home screen, you're going to see a bunch of different stores. Now, all of the orders are probably going to be different, but anyways, see, like my closest store is ShopRite. But for example, we're going to go ahead and click Walmart. As you can see here, it's going to load and show you all of the offers. As you can see here, here's a Shopkick tip. There are 4 ways you can earn kicks at stores: walk-ins, scans, receipts, and a linked card. And they explain that in the tutorial. But a super easy way to get kicks that everyone does. As you know, you can combine coupons and other rebate apps with Shopkick, which is awesome. I'm scrolling through the Walmart options, and there are a bunch of different options for items. And I love, love, love Shopkick because you can get so many rebates back on so many different things like books, beauty and personal care, deodorants, electronics, you guys, breakfast, household essentials, and way more. So a great example is you can go ahead at Walmart and say you're going to go and purchase a Dove Men Care deodorant. You can go ahead and purchase that item, and you're going to go ahead and click scan. It's going to ask for camera access. Then you're going to scan that barcode on the back of the product to get those 25 kicks. And then if you bought this product or any product, go ahead and click submit receipt. And then you can actually go ahead and click whatever item you went ahead and purchased. Now, we just bought the Dove Men Care deodorant, so we're going to go ahead and click that. We're going to claim the 205 kicks, and then it's basically going to tell you how you have to scan your receipt and make sure that it fits along the camera and it's not blurry. Then here, you're going to go ahead and take a picture. Then your receipt should process, and you should get your kicks within 24 hours. I always get my kicks within an hour, so it's really, really fast. And yeah, that is so easy. Another easy way is if you just go ahead and buy the items. Okay, I'm done. I'm out of Walmart. You can go ahead and click receipts right here. And then you can go ahead, jump into all of the items, and go ahead and click the items that you went ahead and purchased to get those kicks. And you're going to make sure you want to see this blue check mark to know that that item is on. You want to select all the products that you purchased on the receipt, and you can only submit this receipt once. Another awesome thing about Shopkick is, say I go ahead and buy one of these deodorants today at Walmart and I submit my receipt. After my kicks get in, usually that offer will reset, so I can go ahead and do that deal. Usually it's just the submitting the receipt part that you can go ahead and deal. Usually you can only scan the item once, but you can go ahead and do this deal again after the offer resets, which is pretty fantastic. There you have it for the store section. Then down here, you can go ahead and online shopping and get kicks. Earn kicks when you shop online through the app. Earn kicks for every dollar you spend on select stores. And you can also earn kicks by purchasing first-time subscriptions for select retails. There are a bunch of retailers that you can purchase online. So you can go ahead and go to Lowe's.com, for example, and you'll get 1 kick for every dollar spent. So basically, you're going to go ahead and click shop now. It's going to bring you to the website, and when you pay over there, I'm pretty sure you will get all your kicks when your items are delivered and everything like that. And there are details and exclusions for everything on online orders there. And then a awesome thing is on the Discover page, as you can see here. And there's a bunch of videos and just things you can go ahead and read. But at some points, you can go ahead and check. As you can see here, make Mother's Day unforgettable. We can go ahead and watch this video and get 3 kicks. Now, that may not seem like a lot to you, but definitely any certain number of kicks, it will just add up, and just like that, you can reach out to a gift card. But as you can see, we have other options to just watch videos and earn kicks. And they're not that many kicks, but again, they will add up. Alright, so like I said, this is a new account. But if you go ahead and go up here where it says 0, now yours may be different. You might already have kicks, I'm not sure. But if you just made an account, you should just be like me and have it 0 kicks. But if you guys are already using Shopkick and just watch this video, if you want to learn like more about Shopkick, then what's up? So anyways, over here, it's our Kickstander. So as you can see, it's going to show us how many kicks we have and how many kicks we will need to get a certain reward. So this is the $5 gift card I chose. And if I go ahead and click on it, I can actually click on 5, 25, or 50 to change my goal. And when I click change goal, it's actually going to give me different options for different rewards. There's Starbucks, Disney, Sephora, Lowe's, Home Depot, all of those amazing options. And they even have products that you can go ahead and win, like you saw before, AirPods. I know they have like a scooter or something. I remember seeing they have like watches, as you can see here, suitcase, water bottle, Nintendo Switch. But that is a lot of kicks. But again, it is definitely up to you and how you want to receive your reward. Now, if you do PayPal, it is going to cost a little bit more. This is because there is a transaction fee. As you can see here, it will cost an extra 50 kicks if you want to redeem for a PayPal credit. That is why for Shopkick, all the time, I will actually redeem for just Walmart because I like to re-roll and use my rebate cash money. So I go ahead and do Walmart. And there are a bunch of different options, like I said. So again, it is definitely up to you, whichever reward you want. And then when you reach the reward, it'll ask you if you want to cash out. And it'll be super, super easy to cash out. So I'm going to show you guys how to cash out. Let me just switch on to my account. Alright, so as you can see, I am on my account. So I do have a high number of kicks. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and click it right here. And basically, as you can see, I reached my reward. So I can go ahead and actually cash out and click redeem kicks for this Walmart gift card. But I'm actually going to change this reward. And I think I'm going to go ahead and get a Starbucks gift card. So I have enough to get a $25 gift card. Now it says I have enough for $25, but I don't want $25. So you're going to go ahead and click the card itself and go ahead and change whichever one you want. So I think I'm going to redeem for a $10 Starbucks gift card. So I'm going to go ahead and click redeem kicks and good to go. And it's going to ask if you want to do it. Once kicks are redeemed, it's final. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes. And as you can see here, it's loading. Got it. Find your Starbucks card under your rewards in the Kickstander. May take several minutes to see the full details of your reward. So I'm going to go ahead and click see reward. As you can see here, it is pending right now. It is saying that it's rolling off of the assembly line, which means that, you know, they're getting the Starbucks code and the PIN. And usually for me, I always get my gift cards within less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and update you guys when I get my gift card back. Right, as we wait for the Starbucks gift card to come in, I want to show you guys this tab over here. So I went ahead and clicked this bell icon over here. These are notifications. We have some announcements, but then something that is really important is the kicks activity. So this is going to show you how you've gotten your kicks or where your kicks have gone. So as you can see, I just made that $10 Starbucks gift card purchase. So as you can see, I got minus 2,500 kicks. And then as you can see here, I have a history of all of my kicks that I've gotten from invites, from walking into certain stores, from redeeming other gift cards, and even buying certain products at some stores. And if you guys watch my videos, you know that I use Shopkick in like all of my Walmart hauls. But here's a good example. I went ahead and purchased some books, and I also got Dove deodorant, and I was able to get a total of 5,900 kicks back. So that is pretty awesome. All right, so it's officially been 1 minute since I got my Starbucks gift card, so I'm going to go ahead and go find it. So to find your gift cards, you're going to go ahead and click this profile emoji on top, and you're going to go ahead and click the 227 redeemed. Now this may not be 227 because that's how much money I have redeemed from using Shopkick. So you're going to go ahead and click that money icon, and then it's going to show you your rewards. These are all my past rewards, and I just got this Starbucks gift card, so I'm going to go ahead and click it. And as you can see here, I already can access my gift card. So when I click view reward, it's going to tell me all my information. That means my gift card number and my PIN. So there you have your Starbucks gift card or whatever gift card you go ahead and redeem. If you go ahead and get a Walmart gift card, it's just going to show you the barcode, which I think is much easier. So when you go to checkout, all you have to do is scan the barcode. So it is definitely much easier. so that is it for this Shopkick tutorial. I think I went through everything. If you have any other questions about this amazing rebate app, make sure to comment it down below and I'll get right to your comment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something new today about Shopkick. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!